With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A wheel is rolling uniformly along a level road. See figure. The speed of translation motion of the wheel is v. What are the speed of point A and B on the wheel ring relative to the road at the instant shown in the figure? So if you see here, this point A is in contact with the ground and ground is stationary, right? So since it is rolling on the ground, so the 2 point A and this point on the ground will have same velocity, and this is having 0 velocity. So A should also have 0 velocity. So if I write down, this is omega, the angular speed, right? So if I see the velocity of this A, because of translation it will be having velocity v in this direction. Because of rotation, omega r in this direction. And now if I write down the velocity of A, it is v minus omega r, and that is 0. Right? So we got the velocity of A. From here I can write down the v is equals to omega r. And now if you see the velocity of point B, because of translation v is in this direction, because of rotation omega r is also in this direction. So I will write the net velocity of B is equals to v plus omega r. That is v plus v, that is 2v. And this is the velocity of the point B. Now if you see the options here, so D is the correct option. A velocity is 0 and B velocity is 2b. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.